Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to make money online using Google News. I'll be sharing with you some secrets on how to make up to $500 per day through Google News by simply doing copy and paste work. You don't need to make any investment, you don't need to have any money, you don't need to do any big stuff. All you need to do is to have a laptop or a smartphone and then follow the steps I'm going to show you in this video. Please watch this video to the end, like and comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. The very first thing to do is to go to Google and search for Google News. So when you search for Google News, click on News. The page will open up. As you can see here, Google News is a website where you can get the latest news from different parts of the world. It shows you all the trading news from different countries, from different regions, from different niche. You can get from business, technology, entertainment, sports, health, science, and the rest of them. So our main aim here is not to read those news. Our main aim here is to find the trending news, copy those news, edit it, and then post it as an article to two websites which I'm going to show you in later on this video. These two websites will be paying you for each article you publish. So stay tuned to this video and watch the end. So what we do now, the first thing we do is to copy, to go to any particular news, anyone at all. Let's check out this one. It's loading, so it will take a little bit. So here we go. What we do here is to copy this news. We'll take you to a website that's going to edit it for us for free. I'll show you a website that's going to rewrite the text for you for free, so that you will not get caught for any copyright issue. So what we do here is we'll copy. Once you copy it, then you take it to this website called spinbolt.com. This spinbolt.com is a website that is going to rewrite the text for you automatically. So when you write it for you, it's going to change the sentence and the words used in the article, so that you will not get caught by any copyright issue. So it will not have anything to do with it. So what you do here is you paste your news here. When you paste it, you click I am a human. It's coming up. So take care of this. Once you're done, verify. So then we'll go. So right now your test is ready. It said rewriting test. So what you do right here is to copy this rewriting test already. You copy it, and then we move on to the website that are going to pay us for each article we publish. I'm going to show you two websites that are going to pay you for each article you publish. The first website is blastingnews.com. Blastingnews.com is a news website where you can publish an article and get paid for it. Blasting News pay up to £200 per article. So wow, I was saying about you making $500 per day, but Blasting News is saying that they can pay you £200 per article. Could you imagine publishing about 5 articles per day and you get paid £200 per each of them? So Blasting News is a very good website, and you can earn as much as you want based on your effort. So if you want to earn more money, you publish more articles, and luckily for you, you will get paid and everything will keep on going. So all you need to do is to click on the sign up, fill in your details, and then you will get a confirmation email. And the website that will pay you for publishing your article is called Opera News Hub. Opera News Hub is a website that will pay you for publishing article of any kind, whether news, entertainment, sports, technology, dating and relationship, travel, anything at all. They will pay you for each article you publish. Opera News Hall payment is based on number of clicks you get. The higher the click, the more money you make. The higher the engagement, like and comment, the higher money you also make. So you need to publish an interesting article with a very good thumbnail that people will see it and like to click on it. So for you to get a high click, you need to publish a very good content, a content that is trending, that people is looking for, searching for in the internet. So when you publish those content, the possibility is that people will definitely going to click on your content and you're going to make the money. And that means of getting more click for this website is to share your article after publishing. Once you publish it, you will get a link which you can also share into social medias and get your money. I personally use this website, and I can tell you that this website they pay every 15th of each month. So all you need to do is to sign up. It's very, very easy. Just sign up with your email, and you enter your details and the payment details. At the middle of each month, which is 15th, you get your money transferred to your account directly. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and see you in next video.